Hi students, I am Rabinshaw Rahim, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, KTCT College of Arts and Science. This is in relation to your subject Company Administration, dealing with first module Part 2. Part 2 deals with the main documents kept with the company. The two important documents kept with the company are MOA, that is Memorandum of Association, AOA, Articles of Association. So the two main important documents kept with the company are Memorandum of Association, second one Articles of Association. So in next section we are moving on to the meaning of MOA and Articles of Association. So what is MOA or Memorandum of Association? Memorandum of Association is an important document which is kept by the company which states the objective of the company form. So it's an important document which is kept by the company which states the basic objective of the company. So what are the objectives of the company? It states about the objective. You should give more importance to the word objective of the company which is so formed. Then we can check about the contents of MOA or Memorandum of Association. The various contents included in MOA are, or what are the basic details included in the Memorandum of Association are: first one, name clause; second one, registered office clause; third one, object clause; fourth one, liability clause; fifth one, capital clause; last one, that is association clause. So first one, name clause. Name clause, as the name we can say that name clause which states about the name of the company. Second one, registered office clause. This clause contains the details regarding the registered office of the company. Third one, object clause. Object clause deals with what are the basic objective of the company. Liability clause, it deals with the liability of the company, or what are the liability of the members of the company. Then capital clause, it tells us about the basic information about the capital so formed, or the capital raised for the formation of the company. Then comes the association clause. Then next heading, that is Articles of Association. The Articles of Association contains the rules, regulation and the bylaws relating to the internal management of the company. It is a sub part of MOA. So the next topic is the Articles of Association and its meaning. So Articles of Association contains the rules, regulation and bylaws relating to the internal management of the business. So we have to give more importance to the internal management of the business. So internal management refers to the internal affairs of the company. So it is the document which states about the internal matters regarding the company. What are the details regarding the internal management, or what are the strategies they are taking for their internal management purposes. So Articles of Association deals with the rules, regulation and the bylaws. So you have to give importance to the rules, regulation and the bylaws relating to the internal management of the company, and it's a sub part of MOA. So Articles of Association is a sub part of MOA. So the most important and the compulsory document is MOA, that is Memorandum of Association, and Articles of Association is just a basic sub part of the AOA. Next, we can deal with the contents of AOA, Articles of Association. Articles of Association and its contents are as follows. First one, definition of important terms and phrases. Second one, adoption or execution of pre-incorporation contract. Third one, share capital and the rights of the shareholder. Then allotment of shares, transfer of shares, share certificate and share warrant, conversion of shares into stock, voting rights and proxies. So the contents of AOA are definition of important terms and phrases, the various important terms which are dealing with the company and the various phrases they are using to convey their knowledge and strategies. Adoption or execution of pre-incorporation contract. Third one, share capital and the rights of the shareholder. Allotment of shares. Then transfer of shares. Share certificate and share warrant. Conversion of shares into stock, voting rights and proxies. So we are dealing with the two main important documents, that is Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association. Memorandum of Association is an important document which is kept by the company, which states the objective of the company formed. The various contents of MOA is: first one the name clause, second one registered office clause, third one object clause, fourth one liability clause, then capital clause and association clause. Articles of Association contains the rules, regulation and the bylaws relating to the internal management of the company. So it's a subpart of MOA, Memorandum of Association. Then the contents of AOA, that is Articles of Association, are as follows. First one, definition of important terms and phrases, adoption or execution of pre-incorporation contract, share capital and the rights of shareholders, allotment of shares, transfer of shares, share certificate and share warrant, conversion of shares into stock, voting rights and proxies. Thank you and have a nice day.